hope you are doing great. So first of all, let me tell you this video is in collaboration with Foxy, which is a great platform for beauty bloggers and influencers. So they help us to connect with top brand, which is an amazing thing. So as we all know, we cannot go out because of this lockdown and the summer season. So I thought this is the best time to utilize our time to take care of our skin. So I thought today I'll share one of my weekly skincare routine, you can say, and I'm going to use few DIYs and few of my favorite products. And in those, one of my favorite product, this Mama Earth ka aloe turmeric gel. I'm going to tell you brief about this product and why it is so useful for all type of skin. So yeah, let's begin the weekly skincare routine. So before we start my skincare routine, I'll tell you few problems we face during the summer for skin. So the first thing is that we get acne because of more sweating. We get acne breakouts, and our skin gets irritated. The second thing is that our skin may feel more dry and irritated because if you're having dry skin, even the weather is hot and humid. But if you are more lazy or you're having dry skin, so then you may face dry skin, and if it becomes more dry, you'll feel like irritation on your skin, itching on your skin, and we can face sunburn. If you are more into sun and you face moon sun, you will feel the sunburn, the rashes, the suntan, and you can feel uneven skin tone. The pigmentation will be more, and dark spots will come because of the sweating, and it will not go out properly. So these are problems we face in summer. The first step of skincare routine is your cleanse your face. So I'm gonna use DIY cleanser, and these two products I'm gonna use for my face cleanser. The powder you can see, it is Multani Mitti and oatmeal powder, and this is like raw milk. So I'm gonna mix this and I'm gonna use as a face cleanser. So I have wet my face. Now I'm gonna mix this raw milk and make it a paste. Now I'm gonna apply this on my face very gently. हल्का सा मसाज करेंगे 2 मिनट के लिए, and then wash it with normal water. Why I have used oatmeal? Oatmeal is very good for all type of skin. It removes your skin impurities. It gives you an even skin tone. And Multani Mitti is like very good for summer. It calms your skin, and it clears your skin. It removes the dirt and other stuff. And raw milk is always amazing thing for dry skin. If you're having dry skin, you can apply milk or curd, and if you're having oily skin, you can go for sure normal water and rose water. So now I'm gonna wash my face. So now we are done with face cleanser. The next step is exfoliate your face. The face is scrubbing. So for that I am using coffee. Coffee is very good ingredient as a face scrubbing or face pack. And with that I'm gonna mix olive oil. It will moisturize your face at the same time. I'm using Urban Botanics ka olive oil. You can use any olive oil, or you can use coconut oil too. So I'm gonna mix few drops in this. So now I have wet my face again, and I'm gonna apply this scrub on my face. Massage it gently and apply on your black, to remove the blackheads and whiteheads. So now we are done with face scrubbing. The next step is face pack. So this also I am using DIY. I have used in this Multani Mitti, rose petals powder, and lemon juice ka few drops, and curd. Why I have used all these things? Multani Mitti, as I have told you, is very good for summer. If you are having dry skin, you should not use only Multani Mitti for your skin, because it can make your skin more dry. So that's why I have used rose petal powder too. Rose petal powder is very good for skin, and it is like good for all type of skin. It clears the impurities, and it maintains your pH balance. And if you are having acne or breakouts, it helps to reduce them. I have used lemon. Lemon is like bleaching properties having, so it is very good if you're having dark spots or pigmentation. It helps to remove that. I have used curd. Curd is very good for skin. It is having anti-inflammatory properties, and if you're having dry skin, you should use curd because it will moisturize your skin at the same time. So I have mixed it well and make a paste so that I can apply easily. Now I'm gonna apply this all over my face. So I have applied this face pack, you can see, and let it dry for some time, around 10 to 15 minutes, and then मैं थोड़ा सा warm water लेके मसाज करूँ gently, क्योंकि इसमें मुल्तानी मिट्टी वगैरह है, so it will help me to remove my blackheads and whiteheads, and then I'll wash with normal water. We are done with face pack. The next step is toner. I'm using rose water as a toner. You can use any of your favorite toner and just spray it all over your face. Tap it and then lightly massage it. Rose water is very good for skin. ये आपकी, as I was telling कि rose water is very good for skin. ये आपकी स्किन को क्लियर करता है, आपकी स्किन को काम करता है, and then it maintains your pH balance also. So I'm skipping serum part. It is an optional. If you want, you can use any of your favorite serum. And the last, not the least, is moisturizing your skin. And for moisturizing, I am using this Mama Earth ka Aloe Turmeric. This is how it looks, and you can see it is very travel friendly. If we talk about packaging, it is multi-purpose use. It has pure aloe vera and turmeric. So we all know that aloe vera is very good for skin and hair. Turmeric is very good for skin. So the main ingredient of this gel is aqua aloe vera extract, glycerin. Glycerin is very good for skin. It moisturizes your skin. It has turmeric antibacterial property. It it helps to remove suntan. So it has aloe vera extract. Aloe vera extract is very good for skin. ये जो breakouts वगैरह हो जाते हैं इसको remove करता है. Acne हो जाता है उसके लिए काफ़ी helpful होता है. इसके अंदर विटामिन ई है. विटामिन is always good for skin. ये हमारी स्किन को नरिश करता है, मॉइस्चराइज करता है. इट हैज़ टर्मरिक एक्सट्रैक्ट. टर्मरिक जो होता है बहुत ही अच्छा, उसके अंदर एंटीबैक्टीरियल प्रॉपर्टी होती है which helps to reduce if you're having suntan और ऐसा कुछ हो जाता है. that turmeric is very good for skin. It has glycerin. Glycerin always moisturize our skin, and the best thing is that ये हम हेयर में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, स्किन में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. इट इज़ क्लियरली मैंशन दैट इट इज़ पैराबेन एंड सिलिकॉन फ्री. इट हैज़ नो एडिड कलर्स, एंड द बेस्ट थिंग इज सुटेबल फॉर ऑल स्किन एंड हेयर टाइप. तो आपको नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट कि आपकी कौन सी स्किन टाइप है, वेदर यू कैन यूज इट और नॉट, एंड यू कैन यूज दिस एज अ मल्टी वे पर्पज. एज आई टोल्ड, यू कैन यूज इट इन मल्टी वे. तो आप इसको नाइट में अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. मॉर्निंग यू विल सी योर स्किन इज क्लियर, एंड इवन you can apply this hair gel at night too, and wash your hair in morning. I haven't tried it on hair, but I have tried in skin, and it is very good. And you can use as a moisturizer, which I am going to use now. You can use it as a primer before applying any makeup. And yeah, it has, it hydrates your skin. It hydrates your skin. It improves the health of your skin and hair. Of product and this brand Mama Earth is that it is like paraben free, SLS free. It is free from harsh chemicals. So now I'm going to show you how it looks. See this, it is like very lightweight, so it absorbs in your skin very easily. Just need to take little bit and apply all over your face. Tap it little bit of your skin with your fingers so that जो भी हमारा ये जेल है वो absorb हो जाए स्किन में easily. So this was my weekly summer day skincare routine, and hope it was helpful for you. And if it was helpful for you, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.